Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy and today I am back again with a new video. So firstly, as you know, FMG results are out. A very big congratulations to all the FMG doctors, those who passed. I'm really proud of you. So much messages are coming for me from night. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you for helping me out and everything. It feels really so good that I was able to help you in any way out possible, where it was whether it was guiding you for how to study a subject, or maybe at some point you needed that extra edge and I gave you that kind of confidence, or whatever be the reason. I'm really happy with the messages that you guys are taking the time out and texting me that I passed, and thank you so much for your guidance. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for that, and really very big congratulations. Your parents must be so happy. This is a really very big win and the first win of ours, so welcome to the other side, and you all did it. Now let's shift to those who couldn't pass this time, whether it was your first attempt or be it whatever attempt it was. I know my saying is not going to make it any better, or it is not going to change your mood at all, but please try not to be disheartened. I have been there on the same spot where my very close loved ones couldn't pass, and I saw them what kind of feeling and how much sadness and how much disheartened you can be. But you are allowed to take all the emotions, but at the same time you have to be again practical towards your study. You have to come back to studies. You can't be in that mind, that why did this happen to me, my friends passed and I couldn't pass, or where did I lag, I did everything I could, I have lost all my confidence. No, now is not the time to sulk yourself in that feeling. You have to get up above, you have to rise above that feeling, and you have to come back for studies. Take 2 to 3 days off. You have to come back to study again. You take a week off, this whole week, try and relax, be with your parents, be with your friends, go and analyze yourself, what went wrong, and then come back with a study plan. The study plan which you are going to come, it is not necessary, it has to be a fully new plan. No, you just have to figure it out. What was the lack, what was the lack of part which was on your side last time. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, ये क्या कमी रह गई थी. Can be a lot of things. It can be you solved less number of questions, you didn't practice enough questions, you didn't give enough GT. You were waiting that when my entire syllabus is going to finish, then I'm going to start with the GTs. It can be that. It can be this, your option changing habit. Last moment पे options change कर दिया, which I'm damn sure more of you would have did, and that is the main reason, that is the topmost reason of not crossing that 150 marks. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, तुमने ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स छोड़े थे एग्जाम के लिए जो कि विच वॉज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जाम. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, किसी ने पैथो, यू लेफ्ट पैथो एंड यू वेंट, बट पैथो इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द एग्जाम. तुम्हें एटलीस्ट PYQs तो एटलीस्ट कमांड होने चाहिए फॉर सॉल्विंग अ नॉर्मल, और 50 to 60% ऑफ द क्वेश्चन तो एटलीस्ट आने चाहिए. सो ये कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें हैं. और टाइम मैनेजमेंट, आई डोंट थिंक टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज गोना बी प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज हम इतनी GTs देते हैं एग्जाम से पहले दैट वी गेट हैबिचुएटेड ऑफ हाउ टू मैनेज द टाइम. बट इफ स्टिल टाइम मैनेजमेंट वॉज अ प्रॉब्लम विद सम ऑफ देम, सो that again comes to the part where you have not given enough GTs. अगर तुमने उतनी GTs दी होती तो this issue would not have come definitely, and this issue can be solved again by giving, again by solving questions. January is going on. You are knowing that July is going to be the next exam. So you are having 6 months, 5 to 6 months. There were also, last time you did, you are going to add more 20% to that. You don't need to change entirely a different thing, or think of something new. तुमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ाई करी है. ऐसा डोंट सेल्फ डाउट योरसेल्फ दैट यू वर नॉट इनफ. यू वेर इनफ. It's just you need to be much more, little bit more better. You are good, you need to be better. ट्राई टू टेक एवरीथिंग इन पॉजिटिव वे. अगर तुमने सारी चीज़ों को पॉजिटिव लेना स्टार्ट नहीं किया ना, तो एक नेगेटिव फीलिंग इज गोना लीड टू अनदर, इज गोना लीड टू अनदर, एंड इट इज गोना बी अ होल नेगेटिविटी अराउंड यू. आई हैव सीन माई फ्रेंड्स, आई हैव सीन माई लव्ड वंस जिसने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में पास नहीं करा था, एंड दे वर एबल टू क्रैक जुलाई सेशन इवन विथ अ वेरी गुड मार्क्स. So 5 months enough होते हैं, and the advantage for you is this, that you are not going to be studying in this 5 months. You are going to be revising the entire thing again. तुमने अगर 2 revisions 3 revisions अभी करी है, तो ये 5 months में तुम और 3 से 4 revisions कर सकते हो. This is going to be a very big plus point for you. Take it in a good way and try to bring the outcome from that in a positive way. I know that it feels like my friends and everyone passed, but I didn't pass, and I have to study again the same thing again and again. I know it's a very disheartening thing, but it is how it is. We can't change any of this. जिस चीज़ को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, यू नो नीड टू थिंक अबाउट दैट एंड यू सल्क योर सेल्फ. दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एनी गुड फॉर यू. इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी गुड फॉर एनी वन एल्स. इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी गुड फॉर यू. a lot of messages started coming that should I join for a job or anything, should I just go and join a private clinic or anything. Stop thinking these things. These things are not what you came back India for. You have to pass FMG exam. That is the only goal you should be having in your mind. तुम्हें job करनी है, तुम्हें कोई hospitals join करना है, a lot of time is going to be there for that. So please have patience. This exam is something, it is not only a exam. बहुत सारी चीज़ें इस a lot of things are there on stake for this exam. It is a kind of a proof to your family and everybody else that we don't just go to foreign and take a degree and come back. We do know some things. हमारी knowledge test होती है exam में, and trust me, जिन लोगों ने भी पास करा है, and in fact those who didn't pass, you ask yourself, a lot of things which you didn't knew 6 months before. तुम्हें 6 months before उन चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं पता था which you know now. So it's not like तुम्हें knowledge की कमी है or anything. No, you're having a lot of knowledge. You have to just make it convert into questions and able to answer that. So this is one thing. Plus don't be harsh on yourself. Take 2 to 3 days off, please. I'm requesting everyone else, those who didn't pass, all my friends, juniors, seniors, whoever it may be, please don't rush into study. First make a clear head of yours, make a clear plan. What are you going to do? What is going to be your next plan? If you have been a repeater more than twice, you need to change your studying plan. I'm saying here you need to change the entire study plan because something is not working for you. If you have been self-study, whether be it Prep Ladder or Marrow or Cerebellum, any platform also, you need to switch to other not platform, you need to switch to other form of studying. Self-study is not working for you. You are something lacking in other thing, because the videos whichever you are playing and whichever subscription you are using are still the same, but the way of studying which you would be using is not good. So you need to change your study plan. Actually, you need to shift to a coaching center or maybe library or something. You need to figure it out. If you have been in 145 to 150 stuck, and then your marks have been like 147 or 148, 149, so that condition I would like to say, just focus on your silly mistakes. I'm damn sure, ask yourself, just go and review the questions again. There would be some questions which you changed the options, or maybe you didn't read the except word. Go and see the recall. You will see, okay, I missed the except word was written there, okay, that buzz was written there in question, I didn't read all the 4 options. ऐसे बहुत सारे silly mistakes तुम्हें पता चलेंगे. If silly mistakes are more than 5, you know where you lost the marks. So please this time make sure, promise yourself that you're going to work on your silly mistakes. Every GTs, every question solving time, तुम्हें ये अपने conscious mind में याद रखना है that you have to read the entire question, you have to read all 4 options, and that way you have to proceed with the question. You don't have to second guess yourself and change the options. This is a very, very bad habit. I know this, it happens with everyone. Even I used to change options, so I can't say that you should stop, but you should at least do less. You should try not to do when you know that okay, this can be the answer. हम 2 options के बीच में stick होकर अपने options change करते हैं. So please try to control that. अगर तुमने वो part control कर लिया, you are definitely gonna pass next time. So figure it out. Stay calm, stay with your family. They are going to be always supportive for you. Stay with your friends, stay away from negativity. Be happy for those who passed, and be happy for yourself that you will do it next time. Don't be disheartened of yourself that this is not fair to you and everything. It's just an exam. You are going to get another chance as well. It's not a do and die situation for any one of us. More people pass even on a multiple number of attempts. So it's just your first attempt, and I know first attempt में पास करना इज़ अ वेरी बिग थिंग, बट ऐसा कोई देर इज़ नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन और एनीथिंग इन आर एग्जाम दैट तुमने अगर सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में पास किया तो तुम्हारी वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी और एनीथिंग एल्स. एवरी टाइम पासिंग इज द सेम फीलिंग विच यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग विच इट्स लाइक वी हैव टू क्रॉस अ लाइन. It's like whatever we did, and when we give the exam and we pass the exam, that is the like how to explain it, वो सबसे मेन चीज़ है. हाउ ऑल्सो यू पास, तुम कितने भी स्कोर्स लाओ, तुम 200 प्लस लेकर आओ, तुम 150 लेकर आओ, बट दैट पास तुम्हारे बट दैट फीलिंग ऑफ पासिंग इज गोना बी द सेम. आई नो मार्क्स ज़्यादा आ जाते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मे बी इन सम स्टेट्स यू गेट प्रायोरिटी बेस्ड ऑन द मार्क्स एंड फॉर योर इंटर्नशिप, दैट इज अ सेकेंडरी मैटर. बट फॉर पासिंग द एग्जाम यू नीड 150, राइट. 150 वालों को भी उतनी खुशी होती होगी, 200 वालों को भी उतनी खुशी होती होगी. द नंबर कंपेरिजन हैप्पीनेस इज डिफरेंट थिंग, but pass hona is the most important thing. For us it's like we are getting registered in India, right? We are official, for us it's like we are officially doctor now in India, so that is the important thing. You have to be officially registered here. So for that any number of marks is okay, but you have to pass. So that is the feeling which is important, whether it is your first attempt, whether it is your how much number of attempts also, that feeling is going to be always there. That feeling, you are going to get that feeling in a full you're going to get that time for enjoying that feeling. So please just don't get disheartened. I know it's a hard time, it is going to pass. Every day say yourself you can and you will, because until you won't believe in yourself, the outcome is not going to happen. Trust me, if you'll keep self doubting yourself, now how am I going to do this and how am I going to do that, how exam is going to go, how am I going to pass, तुम एक नेगेटिव थॉट डालोगे अपने ब्रेन में, एंड योर ब्रेन इज गोना गिव यू 10 नेगेटिव थॉट्स इन बैक. So that is not a good thing. Say yourself that you are going to pass. You have already did half of the work. You just have to do it again, and you just have to do it in 2x speed with some smartness in that. So that is all from my side, and I just wanted to thank everyone. Thank you really for texting me back. It means a lot to me, and this is your moment. Enjoy your moment. Be happy for yourself. Be happy for your friends. Each and everyone who passed, who didn't pass, be happy for everyone. Be happy for everyone, and if you can help them in any way out, for their studying or any kind of help, please do help them, because we should be sticking by each other in any kind of these things and all. It really helps a lot. So that will be all, and I'll be back again with a new video. Till then, stay calm, stay with your family, enjoy this moment, be positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.